Baby, you don't have to say a word. I know what you want from me for sure. Someone who can leave you wanting more. Someone who can make you feel adored. A lover who can always read your mind. Someone who will listen all the time. Relationship that's still strong, never makes you feel alone. So say you love me, say you love me.